Today we're going to be having a look at these NOMA summer garden party lights. So these lights I've had for quite a while, but I don't think I've ever really had them out. I think I may have had them out once, and even that was like plus 10 years, maybe longer. They're in great condition. I think I got them at a car boot sale. I think I paid £5 for them. Absolutely humongous chunky cable on them. Came with this RS branded bright orange bulb. Handy because you don't want to stand on that. Even comes with the terminal denotions in colour, which is interesting. The cable is not braided. I suppose you could braid it. It seems like it's two separate colours in places as well. Let me see if I can find the end bulb. So they've got these big chunky outdoor style rubber seals on them. These bulbs have been used in a multitude of lights. I think Pivco used similar bulbs in candle lights, clip-on candle lights. There we go, there's that rubber seal off. Pretty basic screw-in setup in there. Sealed units, nothing written on them. They've got branch or gutter clips. Yeah, bulbs have, I'm trying to remember what they are now. Can't remember what the actual screw thread is, but they're the same as olive cone lights. Come on, camera work. So 12 volt 3 watt. So they're quite power hungry. 60 watts for the whole set. These are for outdoor use. I don't really see much point in having them indoors. I mean, I suppose you could, but they're designed and robustly built for use on a tree or, again, on your gutters. You can clip them into your gutters this way. Now, as for the archive, I have only got pictures of these in their coloured form with coloured bulbs, but they are the same lights. I vaguely remember there being a label on this. It fell off a long time ago, but they must have sold them in clear as well, because a lot of the outdoor lights you can get, unlike normal Christmas lights, you can get them in clear and coloured. Because they're a nice neutral colour, you can use them all year round. Oh, and they're super bright. I have a blue bulb. Can we get it going? Yeah, that's gone. Other bulbs all work. We've got a fuse bulb. I think I have spares for these. I put them up, but at 60 watts, they're quite power hungry. I'm getting a bit conscious these days with cost of living and running incandescent lights, but I might pop them up in the garden. I think they'd look quite nice if you got some round paper shades, like party lantern shades. I think there's plenty of companies selling them on eBay, like party lights, wedding light shades. I think they'd look quite good on them, but yeah, they're questionable whether you want to call them Christmas lights. I mean, they're specifically marketed as summer garden party lights, but I've seen these advertised as outdoor Christmas lights many times. Pivco do have similar looking lights, but the shape of the bulb holders are completely different. They're quite thin here, and then they taper outwards towards the bottom. I'm wondering whether there's other companies who've made similar lights like this, like Premier, because I know Premier used to do outdoor bulbs, outdoor lights like this, and Ross and companies like that. But there you go, nice little video for you. Anybody got any sets of lights like this, outdoor lights? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll catch you on the next one.